Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Binance account. Keep watching the video till the end. To recover your Binance account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Binance application. The official page of Binance application will appear on the screen. Click on Login option. On the next page, enter your email address or phone number associated with your Binance account and tap on Next. On the next page, to reset your Binance account password, click on Forgot Password option. Enter your email address or phone number associated with your Binance account and click on Next. Complete the verification process and tap on Next once again. A verification code will be sent to your email address for confirmation. Enter a verification code sent to your mail for confirmation and tap on Next. On the next page, enter your new password, confirm your new password by re-entering it and tap on Next. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can recover your Binance account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.